Salt Lake City, with its stunning mountain views and 4 distinct seasons, presents a unique climate challenge for homeowners. From hot, dry summers to freezing, snowy winters, homes in this region endure significant temperature and weather fluctuations. One impactful way to protect your home and enhance your quality of life in this environment is by replacing old or inefficient windows. Here are the top 5 benefits of upgrading your windows in Salt Lake City's unique climate. Enhanced energy efficiency. The Salt Lake City homeowners face a significant range of temperatures throughout the year. During the summer, temperatures often climb above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, while winters can drop well below freezing. These fluctuations mean your HVAC system has to work overtime to keep your home comfortable. Replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient ones can dramatically reduce your heating and cooling costs. Modern windows are designed with features like low emissivity, low E coatings, argon gas fills, and multiple panes of glass that provide superior insulation. These technologies help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter while reducing energy consumption. Improved comfort level. Have you ever noticed drafts near your windows or uneven temperatures in your home? Old, inefficient windows often allow air to seep in and out, leading to cold spots in winter and hot spots in summer. This can make certain areas of your home uncomfortable. New windows eliminate these drafts and improve your home's overall comfort. Advanced sealing techniques and double or triple pane designs block unwanted air exchange, ensuring that every room in your house feels just right, regardless of the season. Protection against UV rays. Salt Lake City's high elevation means more exposure to harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays. Over time, UV rays can fade and damage your flooring, furniture, and artwork, leaving your interior looking aged and worn. Many replacement windows come with UV-resistant coatings that block a significant portion of these harmful rays. These coatings help preserve your home's interior, protecting your investments and keeping your decor looking fresh for years to come. Noise reduction. Living in Salt Lake City often means dealing with a mix of urban sounds and natural noise, whether it's traffic, construction, or wind blowing through the valley. If your current windows don't provide adequate sound insulation, these noises can disrupt your peace and quiet. Modern replacement windows are designed with noise reduction in mind. Features like laminated glass, tighter seals, and multi-pane designs significantly reduce outside noise, creating a more serene indoor environment. This is especially valuable if you live near busy streets, schools, or other high-traffic areas. Increased home value and curb appeal. Replacing your windows is one of the most cost-effective ways to boost your home's value and visual appeal. New windows can give your home a fresh, updated look, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Energy-efficient windows are a sought-after feature in today's real estate market. Buyers recognize the long-term savings and comfort they provide, making your home stand out. Plus, modern designs offer a variety of styles, materials, and finishes to match any architectural aesthetic, ensuring your home looks as beautiful as it feels. Why it matters for Salt Lake City. Salt Lake City's climate demands a unique approach to home improvement, and replacing your windows is a strategic investment. From combating extreme temperatures to protecting against UV rays, modern windows are built to handle the challenges posed by this region. For homeowners looking to maximize energy savings, enhance comfort, and increase their property's value, replacing windows is a smart decision. The benefits extend far beyond just aesthetics. They impact your wallet, well-being, and the longevity of your home. Take the next step. If you're considering window replacement in Salt Lake City, consult a professional to evaluate your home's specific needs. By choosing high-quality, energy-efficient windows, you can transform your living space and enjoy the many benefits of a well-insulated, comfortable, and stylish home. Whether you're battling winter chills or summer heat, your new windows will make all the difference.